Hey. It is time for my first video in about 6 months. This is going to be a quick unboxing of an Artisan Keycap from Jelly Key. But I also want to give you the channel update you deserve. Unboxing first, channel update after. I'm not going to make you sit through an update if you don't give a poop, so it will be at the end of the video. To be honest, and why would I lie, Artisan keycaps aren't my thing. I don't get it. Why spend all this money on a keycap? Let's see if this changes my mind. Jelly Key handcrafts these complex, detailed worlds into keycaps. Some of them look so detailed, I feel like I might be literally pressing on a living micro universe. And the thing is about these keycaps are they are usually only made once. They will do a group buy, and then you may never see them ever again. Well, if you remember, I bought these Xylants in my last video, and they were meant to be for a client build. I'm still waiting on all the parts for it. The client was looking for something that could relate to her newborn son. And well, I wanted to find something special to add to the board, and whether or not she used it conveyed a representation of her son. And it also showed a tremendous amount of craftsmanship and scarcity. Jelly Key ran a group buy for the Dragons of Eden, the Descendants. Can't with these descriptions. It's like reading the back of a wine bottle, but still entertaining. They look like baby dragons, curled up waiting to be unleashed in the world. Each has its own story, which I felt added to the magic unboxing experience that I was looking forward to giving to my client. I will definitely be including a little write-up for her. It comes in a wooden box with a wax stamp on it. Nice touch. I had to smell it. Love the smell of wooden boxes. This presentation of the keycap is definitely on point. Taking it out, the level of detail is actually incredible. Look at the little guy with the glitter on the back. Now it's important to note that this is an SA profile, which will make it stand out a bit compared to standard profiles. And oh my god, this feels amazing. There's a little bit of weight to it, and it really feels smooth and premium. I just want to rub it. Rub it. I wish all my keycaps felt this way. We really need weighted keycaps. I think that would unleash a whole new feeling for me. It says on the group buy page that it's backlit, though I don't really see it light up like it does in the pictures. I think the client will be extremely happy with it, and I was a little worried that it would be corny or cheesy. The build will have a black theme in line with a professional look, and I think this won't stand out too much. That's about all I have to say about this. I'm so excited to take the premium feel up a notch. This might have changed my mind about Artisan caps. Respect. Let me know what Artisan keycaps you're looking at getting in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you dig it and the dislike button if you didn't. Now, the channel update. First off, thank you to all the new subscribers and viewers. The amazing comments and support is insane. I never thought videos would reach 100 views, let alone 20K. Now, why did I start doing YouTube? I started this channel as a way to escape. I had just got let go after my company shut down. One of my dogs died, and I was diagnosed with a disease that never goes away. I needed something to channel everything that was going on. And normally I would write and play music, but there's just not much of a scene for that anymore. And where have I been? In short, COVID hit, shipping was all messed for boutique products. I was running dangerously low on funds and needed to hustle. I picked up a job and spent time trying to get settled in. I've never done YouTube alongside a job before, so I'm still trying to figure out the workloads. Also, getting back into YouTube felt really awkward because I kind of lost my groove. It's like working out for the first time in months. The first time is just so hard. What can you expect? I value your time and attention, so I will not post for the sake of posting. The plans I had in the pipeline are finally starting to come to fruition as manufacturing picks back up, and I have more funds now to keep going. Here are a couple things I have in store for you. One, I'll be reviewing and giving away a Mojo Ember board from Mail Geeks as soon as it comes, of course. 2, the Helix build is underway. I may make this my daily driver. 3, I'll be digging into privacy a bit with a special laptop review. My schedule might be slow as I adjust, and once again, I really appreciate your support, patience, and your comments. This will be an amazing second half of the year, and I hope to continue bringing you quality reviews, quality content. All right, peace.